Welcome back to Coding with Magic, the channel where we turn coding into magic. How to make an invisible folder on your computer desktop. It's a nifty trick that can keep your files hidden from prying eyes. First things first, let's create a new folder just like we normally do, so you can test folder works. We can recheck to see if it is working. Yes, it is working now. I will delete this folder so we can create it from scratch. If you want your mouse cursor, taskbar, and wallpaper to look just like mine, let me know in the comments below. Your requests could inspire my next magical tutorial. Create new folder. Now here comes the magic part. Hold Alt, type a 160 using the numeric keypad, hit enter. And voila, your folder is now invisible. Go to the properties and change the icon. Wasn't that awesome? If you found this trick helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And hey, if you ever need help with coding or anything related to tech, feel free to reach out to me. You can shoot me an email and also contact me at WhatsApp.